Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy S&P 500 on Robinhood. First, understand that you cannot directly purchase the S&P 500 index itself. Instead, you invest in products that mirror its performance. On Robinhood, the most common and accessible way to do this is through exchange-traded funds, or ETF. These funds hold stocks of the companies within the S&P 500, allowing you to gain broad market exposure with a single investment. To find S&P 500 ETFs on Robinhood, simply use the search bar. Common tickers like SBY, IV, or VOO represent funds that aim to replicate the index's performance. Once you select an ETF, you can view its details, including its expense ratio, which is the annual fee. To buy, enter the number of shares or a dollar amount, then review and submit your order. This provides instant diversification across 500 companies. While ETFs are readily available, Robinhood's platform has limited offerings for traditional mutual funds. Mutual funds also track the S&P 500, but they trade only once a day after the market closes. If you specifically prefer mutual funds for their structure or other reasons, you might explore other brokerage platforms that specialize in a wider range of these investment vehicles. For most investors on Robinhood, ETFs are the straightforward path. Investing in the S&P 500 is a great start, but remember the importance of diversification. Consider adding other asset classes or international exposure to your portfolio to reduce risk. Always maintain a long-term perspective. Market fluctuations are normal, and consistent investing over many years typically yields the best results. Speaking of smart choices, check out the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.